We are still in Florida. We have some time to kill before our flight leaves. So we're gonna check out this bowling alley arcade called Headpinz. I read online, I couldn't really see what kind of arcade games they had. So we're gonna go in and see if they have any good arcade games. And then after that, we're gonna go down to Gametime, which is the one we went to the other day and it's down the road. And then cash in some tickets at Gametime, and then we will board our flight and head back to St. Louis, to the cold. It's 20 degrees in St. Louis right now. It's 80 degrees in Florida. I'm definitely not looking forward to the cold. But anyway, we're here at Headpinz. It looks huge. It's very huge. So hopefully they have some good games inside. Alright, we're here at Headpinz. It looks like a smaller arcade. It's just open. No one's here yet. They have a spin and win. Ooh, they do have a machine to redeem SpongeBob cards. Flying tickets. SpongeBob. I do like SpongeBob. $1.50 is swipe. It's a little bit more than I'm used to paying. SpongeBob. Down the Clown. That's $1. Multi-jug, ice ball, which I call skee ball. Golden fishes. So it looks like it has a typical arcade game. E-claws, which means they're impossible to win. I do already have that Pikachu, so I don't care about that. Predator, or Alien, sorry. Aliens Armageddon. Laser tag. And they do have a Wizard of Oz. But $1.50, yes, a little more than the average dollar. Most arcades cost. So some cars, I don't know, not really impressed. I mean, it's a fine arcade, nothing wrong with it. There's nothing different. I'll do a quick walkthrough to see if there's any prizes I want. So here is the prize room. I'm just gonna walk through real quick.
Back in the ring if you wish to walk backwards. Still lean forwards, I'll attempt to go backwards. Almost I'll lean forward before exiting the arena.
Just looking to see if there's anything I want to win. Okay. Pokemon coin purse. See if I can find my husband. Alright, this is Headpinz. We just left it. I did a quick walkthrough. We actually decided not to stay. It's actually a really nice building on the inside, and the arcade is a nice, cute, small arcade. But the games aren't anything different than just trying to look for something different. If we're gonna spend our money, I'd rather just spend it at Gametime because they had a bunch of UFO catchers that I liked, and they had the DC Crane Pusher and the Pink Panther. So we're just gonna go ahead to Gametime, and I did a quick walkthrough just for reference sake in case anybody was curious what it looks like on the inside. They have laser tag, they have restaurant, they have a bowling alley. This is a neat place if you're in the area. But for us, I think we're just going to go to Gametime.